So what were you doing there, guys? Digging a hole, Tucker?
First day.
What a Fruit Loop.
Side digging. Come here, Tucker.
So Tucker dug a hole, and Sean's burying him now.
Good.
Oh, you got your own little, look at him.
Good, Tucker.
Oh.
Good, Tucker.
Oh.
He said, oh, this is nice and warm.
Do you like that, honey? Are you going to go take a nappy nap, Tuck Tuck? Oh, he looks like he's loving it. Oh.
Probably likes it.
Is that warm? Yeah. That's so funny. He dug his own little hole and him getting buried in the sand. Billy's like, well, I want to do that too.
He's completely buried. There you go, Tucker.
Oh, Tucker's loving that.
That's good. Tucker, you stay.
Can you get his front feet?
Tucker, stay. Stay. Tucker, stay.
That's just friggin' hilarious.
Tucker, stay.
Billy, no.
Stay.
Oh, there you go, Tuck Tuck. All I see is Tucker's head. And he, you know, he's just loving that. That is just friggin' hilarious. Where'd you? I got a dog. I got a dog with one head.
Oh, there you go.
I don't see no body.
That lady's laughing.
That lady's laughing. Oh, I see a little bit of his back right there, Sean.
No, we gotta make sure it's covered.
Gotta get, yeah. You gotta get.
There you go, Tucker. There you go, buddy.
No.
There you go.
Don't usually see stuff like this. Look at Bailey. It's so funny.
There you go, Tucker.
Oh, that's just funny. Look at him. Look at him. He's freaking out.
He loves it.
Oh. Tucker says, I can take a nappy nap now. Oh, this is just too funny.
You gotta get a couple pictures of him so we don't. It's not all movie.
Oh, I don't know.
He's going to sleep.
He is. He's completely out.
It's nice and warm.
Oh. Look at that. Tuck Tuck. You gonna take a nappy nap? You gonna take a nappy nap, Tucker?
Stop the movie and let's take a picture.
He's snoring.
Oh, he loves it. It's nice and warm.
I was getting.
Tucker.
I got it so I get the sound of him snoring.
Steve. He probably just loves it because it's just like a warm, soothing.
Funny.
Soothing.
That's hilarious. Oh look, those people have retro chairs over there. How cool is that?
Good, Tucker.
Nice bay here at Neat Hearts.
Yes, he's going to sleep.
What is this, like August 1? What is today?
I'm not sure. On vacation.
Bailey doesn't hold still long enough to do that too.
You're still recording?
Yeah.
You use up all the memory, huh? Stop it and take a picture. Get it close.
Okay.